Sevierville leaders have approved a plan to relocate Red Bank Road. Town officials say the move is necessary to improve traffic flow and support future development in that area. The project will shift a portion of the roadway to better align with nearby intersections and increase safety for drivers. Leaders say the relocation will also help accommodate growth and reduce congestion.
A large section of Red Bank Road that's located in a flood hazard area, and the city's evaluated moving it really off and on the last 5 to 7 years at different points, looked at different scenarios, and they've had some issues with embankment failure with the road, trying to reinforce it. It's kind of it's in a floodway and got a lot of hazards related to that. So they've looked at relocating that in the past, and we have an agreement with one of the property owners to do basically it's a land swap, a relocation of the right away from along the river up out of the floodplain to the rear of his property.
Now construction is expected to begin later this year with detours in place while that work is underway. Officials say updates will be provided as this project progresses.